Good morning, everyone. Today, the B1s will be giving a presentation on Kathak, the story of the soul. Kathak is an amalgamation of three arts: music, dance, and drama. The term Kathak is derived from the Vedic Sanskrit word Katha, which means story, and Kathakar, which means the one who tells a story. Katha kahe so kathik kahave. Katha is the Indian style of religious storytelling. However, storytelling does not need to be limited to oral recitation. It can be presented through dance. Kathas have different forms and mediums across the globe. Before TV, the internet and smartphones, people were coming together to hear stories about their history, folklore, and current events. Let us now watch a video of Pandit Birju Maharaj, an exponent of the Lucknow Kalka Bindadeen Gharana of Kathak, explaining the importance of a Kathakar to his disciples.
कथाकार जो है उसको हर भूमिका निभानी पड़ती है कि अगर कृष्ण है वो तो वो राधा भी है, अगर वो शिव है तो पार्वती भी है, अगर वो राम है सीता भी है.
Telling Kathas gives us a sense of culture, history, and personal identity, along with values and qualities that a person should possess. Let us now watch a video on the story of bravery and sacrifice of Pannadhai in Katha Kathan Shaili of Kathak. We as humans are narrative animals. As children, our parents and grandparents immerse us in stories, fairy tales, made-up stories, and favorite stories. As adults, we continue to surround ourselves with stories. It is this human ability to organize experience into narrative form that David Blair and Tom Mayer call narrative intelligence. It is an important part of human cognition and is considered now as the 10th multiple intelligence.
The art of Kathak dancing pays a significant tribute to Indian history and accentuates Indian culture. Kathak actually dates back to the 4th century BC, where sculptures of Kathak dancers were engraved in written scripts in ancient temples.
The art of Kathak first emerged in the deep depths of the misty villages of northern India. In the late 19th century, Kathak grew in regions like present-day Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Kathak as a classical dance form likely started in Banaras and from there migrated northwest to Lucknow, Jaipur and other parts of north and northwest India.
Welham is deeply rooted in Indian culture, and there is a conscious and sustained effort to acquaint the girls with their culture and heritage. The Kathak students in school are tutored by experienced and trained professionals. To enhance their learning, the school regularly organizes workshops and performances by acclaimed Kathak artists under the aegis of SPICMAK. Competitions at different levels provide the girls with opportunities to explore their talent even further. Consequently, the girls imbibe the best of Indian art and tradition, develop a sense of discipline, and acquire a training that becomes a lifelong asset.
Kathakas were Grantikas, reciting stories related to Vishnu. When Krishna was identified with Vishnu, Krantikas began narrating Krishna-based stories.
During this time, a rich musical theatre form had grown out of the rich Krishna theatre tradition of the Mathura region.
It is believed that Kathavachan, the earliest form of Kathak, was exclusively based on Krishna's legend.
Now we are going to see a performance where the Vellum girls have depicted Kanduk Krida. It shows Krishna and his friends playing with a ball at the bank of river Yamuna.
The Bhakti movement refers to ideas and engagement that emerged in the medieval era on devotion to religious concepts built around specific gods and goddesses.
Now we are going to see a performance in which the Vellum girls have depicted Ras Nritya, where Radha and the gopis felt that Krishna is with them due to their divine love towards him.
When Muslim rulers arrived in India, they were mesmerized with Indian dance forms and music. With Indian music, quite receptive of other countries, was thus partially influenced by Persian culture. In this way, Kathak reached the royal courts from temple courtyards and became the most glorious form of entertainment of the Mughals. Now let's watch a video clipping depicting Sufi Kathak, adopted from whirling dervishis, which is a physical act of meditation. It emphasizes universal love, peace, acceptance, and union with the divine. Kathak originally came to Lucknow from Handia near Allahabad. The anti-Nautch movement was a movement during the start and expansion of British colonial rule in the late 19th century to abolish the traditional Indian dancing girls. Kathak teachers also shifted to training boys to preserve the tradition, as most of the 20th century had ridiculed Kathak Nautch girls.
पुरुष जो है बड़ा श्रेष्ठ हुआ, शुरू से डांसर है, ऐसी बात नहीं कि आदमी नहीं नाचते। और हम लोगों के पुरुषों में से एक पक्षियों में कौन है? मोर। वो स्त्री नहीं, मोर तो पुरुष है। कितना सुंदर नाचता है, अब बड़े मजे में नाचता है, आनंद लेके नाचता है। भगवान शिव शंकर वो भी तो पुरुष थे और खूब नाचते थे डमरू बजा बजा के।
ओम धिमक धिम डमरू बाजे गिर कैलाश शिखर पर राजे धिमक धिमक धिम मदंग बाजे शीश गंग अर्धंग विराजे उमा रमा बरस बसु साजे कर शूर डमरू दीना शिव छम 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 छनन छनन शिव छम छम धा छम छम धा छम छम धा शिव छम छम छनन छनन शिव छम छम धा छम छम धा छम छम धा शिव छम छम छनन छनन शिव छम छम धा छम छम।
The revival movement of Kathak developed in the Kathak Mishra community. Shambhu Maharaj played an instrumental role in drawing international viewership of Kathak in the early 20th century. This dance form is so expressive, and who else can depict it better than Pandit Shambhu Maharaj? Let us now watch a short clipping on him.
Rendering a thumri through Abhinaya is Shambhu Maharaj, the third of Kalka Prasad's grandsons.
नंद लाल मेरे नित ही करत झगड़ा हमसे।
Kathak is found in 4 distinct forms called gharanas, named after the cities where the Kathak dance tradition evolved: Lucknow, Jaipur, and Banaras. The fourth upcoming gharana, Raigad Gharana, is dedicated to Maharaj Chakradhar Singh. The Lucknow Gharana developed in the courts of the Nawab of Oudh in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Abhinay plays a very strong role in this style, and Birju Maharaj, Shambhu Maharaj, and Lachu Maharaj are or were all renowned for their originality and creativity in their Abhinay. Let us now watch a video of Pandit Birju Maharaj, an exponent of the Lucknow Kalka Bindadin Gharana of Kathak, explaining the significance of Tal and Lay in all dance forms to his disciples.
कि हम लोगों का जीवन बिल्कुल नृत्य के लय के साथ बंधा हुआ है। ईश्वर ने जो एक एक उंगलियों के फंक्शन जो भी दिए हैं वो सब लय में है कि हर चीज़ में हिरन की गतियाँ, हिरन कुलाचे भरता है, टडांग डिडिंग टडांग डिडिंग, गाय चलती धक 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 ऐसी चलती है, शेर जो है जंप लेता है लंबी लंबी तगधेन तगधेन तगधेन, सबके अंदर गति है। जो ईश्वर ने जिसको भी दिल दिया है, जान दी है, वो बगैर लय के नहीं है।
The Jaipur Gharana developed in the courts of the Kachwaha kings of Jaipur in Rajasthan. There is also a greater incorporation of compositions from the Pakhavaj, such as Parans. Now let us watch a video showing this dance style along with its complex footwork exhibiting beautiful Tezi and Tayari. The Banaras Gharana was developed by Janki Prasad. It is characterized by the exclusive use of the Natwari or dance bowls, which are different from the tabla and the Pakhavaj bowls. Let's watch a video showing the dance style of this Gharana. Raigad flourished as a centre of art and culture under the patronage of Maharaj Chakradhar Singh. The Raigad Kathak is an amalgamation of Jaipur and Lucknow Gharana Kathak dance styles. It is specially known for compositions based on the sounds of nature, such as Dalbadal Paran and Pakshi Paran. Now let us watch a short video showing this dance style.
It is rightly said that clothes make a statement and costumes tell stories. Makeup magnifies and enhances the beauty that already exists. Costume and makeup give us a larger perception of the character. The traditional costume for women has two variations.
One is based on a ghagra and the other is based on a sari. In Kathak, the dupatta is mainly worn in two different styles. The dupatta forming an angrakha
is in the front, while the kamarband is holding the dupatta together on the front side, while wearing a ghagra, sari or skirt.
The traditional costume for men is a dhoti or kurta and churidar. Ornaments are an essential accessory for a performer. A performer wears many types of ornaments. Mangtika and har are worn. Jhumar and chapka are also important ornament items. The kamarband and bajuband are worn as well. The gajra is worn on the hair, made of white flowers.
Ghungroos are the bells tied around the ankles of a Kathak dancer to reflect the sound of the percussion instruments such as the tabla or bakhavaj. Traditionally, 100 to 150 ghungroos are tied on each ankle.
Dancers use elaborate makeup to intensify their different characters. The eyelashes and eyebrows are also painted black so that they look enlarged.
Alta on both the palms manifests the mudras which makes the dance more graceful. Alta on feet makes the movements of legs clearer and the overall impact of the performance is increased manifold.
Costumes highlight the dancer's gestures, dance motion, and facial expressions. This communicates the performer's stories and connects the audience to what she or he is feeling and trying to emote. Costumes are worn in accordance with the performer's role.
Music and dance have been the chief forms of religious expression in India. The origin of music in India is attributed to gods and goddesses and to mythological figures like Gandharvas and Kinnars, who figure in all the stories and legends connected with the science and practice of music. Dance is incomplete without music, and music is incomplete without instruments. There are a few instruments that are necessary in Kathak. Usually, the instruments are used in a combination of three, like tabla, harmonium, and sitar, or pakhavaj, harmonium, and santoor. The main instruments that are gone with during live performances of Kathak are as follows: percussion, solid, wind, and string.
The pakhavaj is the most ancient of all percussion instruments. It has been superseded by the tabla. Tabla is the most widely used percussion instrument in the north. The name tabla seems to have derived from the Arabian drum called tabla. The tabla is believed to be one of the innovations of Amir Khusro. A bansuri is a wind instrument traditionally made from a single hollow shaft of bamboo with 6 or 7 finger holes. The musical or the lyrical aspect of the music behind the dance is coming from the bansuri. Tanpura is a long neck musical instrument. It helps in supporting the vocal performance of the singer during the music. This is plucked to produce sound to help in singing.
The sitar is very much like a veena. The body is usually made of a goat cut in half near the core. Originally, the goat was almost flat like the back of a tortoise, and therefore such sitars were called kachua. The name kachachapi was also given to a type of veena for the same reason. Kathak seems incomplete without the tunes of harmonium, which is a type of reed instrument. One of the notable players of harmonium is Padma Shri Tulsidas Borkar. The sarangi is said to bring out human voice while singing. The singer can also perform gumkas well along with this instrument.
These days, the dancers are trying to bring in their creativity and innovative ideas by dancing on the beats of drums and other modern instruments and adding a modern flavor in their dance. It also appeals to the youth and helps in supporting interest. Now, we will present a short video featuring Kumar Sharma, a national scholar in Kathak.
The learning of Kathak involves the various elements which include variety of footwork, body movements such as hastaks, head, neck and eye movements and spins. We start with the Bhumi Pranam and Namaskar. Namaskar means salutation to all Dishas and Dikpals, Akash, Bhumi and Guru, seeking energy, blessings and forgiveness in the beginning of the dance form. Now we will be watching a video on Namaskar performed by our girls.
For Namaskar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Tatkar refers to footwork, while Hastak is hand movements, and both are integrated into body movements. Tatkar is the basic footwork of Kathak. It is considered to have been derived from the Natwari bowls Pa, Thai and Pat.
Namaskar. I'll be introducing Igun, Dugun and Chogun. When one bowl is equal to one matra and they are both parallel, it is known as Igun. For example, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha. When two bowls are equal to one matra, it is known as Dugun. For example, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha. When four bowls are equal to one matra, it is known as Chogun. Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha. Thank you.
Tatkar, Tha, Dugun, Chogun, Atgun. Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Tin, Tin, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Ta, Ta, Din, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Din, Ta, 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 Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, 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 Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei, Ta, Ti, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ti, Ta, Thei, Ta, Thei.
The various hand movements in Kathak are called Hastak. It makes the story easy to understand when the performer uses appropriate mudras to communicate and express to the audience. Now we are going to watch a video on Hastak performed by our girls.
Hastak, Urdhvasta Chakra, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Madhya Hasta Chakra, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 तलहस्त चक्र 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 चंवर समतल कोण एवं पुष्पांजलि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5.
After teaching basic Tatkar and Hastak, number of the basic foot and hand movements are used and practiced in the form of small and simple compositions of Amad, Salami, Tihai, Tukra and Paran.
It is an essential part of the Kathak dance, which means to arrive, Agman. Ta, Thai, Tat in variations are the main bowls of Amad. Amad is beautifully demonstrated by the girls at Vellum in the following video.
आमद 3 ताल ता थे तर आ थे तर थे 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 तत तत थे थे तत तत थे तत तत ता.
While performing Rang Manch Ka Tukda, the dancer honors the audience by saluting in a special manner in the beginning of the performance. During Mughal era, the term was replaced by salami. Here is a salami being performed by the girls of Vellum.
रंगमंच का टुकड़ा अथवा सलामी. तर तर दिग धा दिग 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 धा दिग दिग तर तर थे ई या थे तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत ता तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत ता तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत थे तत तत ता.
In the context of dance, when a rhythmic pattern of bowls beginning from any matra of the tal cycle is repeated 3 times with equal intervals to reach the sum, it is called Tihai. Here is a Tihai being performed by the girls.
Tihai 3 ताल तथे तथेता तथे तथेता तथे थेता तथे थेता तथेता थेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थेता थे तथे तथेता तथे तथेता तथे थेता तथे थेता तथेता थेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थेता थे तथे तथेता तथे तथेता तथे थेता तथे थेता तथेता थेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थेता थे तथेता थेता थेता थे.
The Bhramari or Chakkar refers to the signature spinning movement in Kathak. Making precise chakkars requires a balance of form, technique, and stamina. The dancer's arms also help to increase their momentum when completing the circle. Let us now watch a video on Bhramari.
An integral part of Kathak is Abhinay. Abhinay expresses the emotions and the feelings of the artist to the audience. Here is the beautiful example of an Abhinay by one of our girls depicting Vatsalya Bhav.
helps to attain a sense of calm and serenity. It is this sadhana, disciplined and dedicated practice that strengthens them to face the largest hurdles in life.
Patience is the need of the hour, and it has become an uncommon quality in the fast pace of modern life. When you pursue these dance forms, it helps to instill these values that comes only with constant practice.
Kathak dance is all about the synchronization of mind, body, and soul. Dance instills a mental strength and emotional release.
Dance gives us inner peace, a strong attitude, and calm mind. It not only helps in channelizing energies but staying fit and healing internally.
Dancers don't go to the temple to worship the deity. Instead, they transform into the deity through dance, establishing a deeply devotional practice in which the dancer can frequently feel altered to a higher level of connection to the essence of the god or goddess they are representing.
Dance therapy is a good exercise which is known scientifically to increase the neurotransmitters called endorphins, which increase our state of well-being.
Grace is often perceived to be a feminine quality. Indian classical dance has often belied that notion. Pandit Uday Shankar, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Guru Gangadhar Pradhan, and so many male dancers have shown a rare ability to showcase grace most effectively. With well-defined movements of the hand cutting through the air and swift turning of the torso, it often brings a definitiveness to the art that seems masculine, along with a gentleness that seems feminine, a balance that spells grace. From the dance performances of Pandit Birju Maharaj to Guru Gangadhar Pradhan, we notice one common factor, and that is the grace. We shall now watch a video on these two young maestros that show us the immense grace in their performance.
This dance is full of subtle movements with a variety of nuances. It requires a high degree of focus to learn and regularly practice these movements, which improves your ability to concentrate.
We would like to share with you how our dance form just does not cater to the emotional well-being but also to the physical well-being.
We will now take you through a correlated understanding of various Hasta Mudras with the mudras used in yoga, which has a positive impact on health. The first mudra shown here is the Gyan Mudra, the mudra of knowledge. It increases memory power, sharpens the brain, enhances concentration, and prevents insomnia. Regular practices of this mudra can help overcome anger and depression.
Prithvi Mudra reduces all physical weaknesses, improves the complexion of the skin, and makes our skin glow.
Pran Mudra is the mudra of life. It improves immunity and vision. This mudra is excellent for any eyesight related disorders.
Pan Mudra is the mudra of digestion. It regulates diabetes, cures constipation, and piles. Apan Vayu Mudra, popularly known as the mudra of the heart. It strengthens the heart and reduces palpitation.
We learn Kathak of Lucknowi Gharana at Welham Girls' School. In present times, Kathak is not only an art form, but a very promising career option also.
For becoming a Kathak professional, one must undergo rigorous training, starting from Prarambhik level to the final Visharad level.
Every year, a number of Elamites qualify the Upadhi of Nritya Visharad from renowned Bhatkhande College of Music, Dance and Drama. This degree makes them eligible to teach and perform.
Once one has acquired the required skills, there are an array of options one can choose from. We are listing a few.
When we think of career in the field of dance, the first option that strikes our mind is being a performer. Performing Kathak is a source of expressing feelings, emotions, express ideas and bring social issue to the public eye. If you know Kathak, you can work as a choreographer. Choreographers mainly work in movies, on stage, for television and video music shows.
One can also be a dance teacher. Teaching at a studio or a public school is one of the most popular career options. In the current times of the pandemic, there's a lot of scope for online Kathak classes too.
There's also an option for dance photography and videography. Being a dancer, you have the advantage to anticipate and click photographs of the apt moment. Apart from dancing, one can create costume and dancewear and sell your own merchandise online. There are several things that every dancer will always need. For example, dance clothes, a dance bag, jewelry, etc. For example, Rohini Bhate, a famous Kathak dancer and costume designer who added stylish blouses with lehengas and koti shrugs, gave the Kathak costumes a whole new look. Shama Bhate followed in her footsteps with 40 years of Kathak experience. Another interesting career option flourishing these days is being a dance therapist. A dance therapist uses dance as a tool to heal both the mind and the body.
If you have a good knowledge of Kathak and have love for writing, then one of the options can be being a dance journalist, which requires in-depth knowledge and insight into the dance form.
If you desire to pursue an academic career and alongside be a Kathak dancer, you can choose your own field and also do stage performances. For example, Padma Shri Shovana Narayan, a famous Kathak artist and stage performer, had also pursued a dual career in administrative services. While researching, we found several similarities with Kathak and other dance forms from around the world. Delving a little deeper, we found that all dance forms have their foundation based on beats. Raqs Sharqi from Egypt, belly dancing from the Middle East, tap dance from Ireland, and even ballet from parts of Europe. These have a tight link with Kathak, especially in the stylized movements, clever and rhythmic coverage of space, and the spins. Now we would like you to see one such performance where the dancers belonging to two different regions of the world dance in synchrony with the beats.
Valam continuously strives to be current. So let us watch their efforts in this fusion dance. As the saying goes, the floor is my canvas and my feet are the brush. Kathak is the hidden language of the soul, as well as an art.
The range of what Kathak covers today is very vast and versatile. From dance dramas to contemporary experiments, fusions, conventional recitals, and theme-based compositions, Kathak is an indispensable part of every major dance festival in the country and enjoys immense popularity nationally and internationally. So, we too at Vellum have integrated this beautiful dance into the curriculum seamlessly, and we make sure that this will continue to inspire and enthrall many generations at Vellum. Thank you.
May God shower His blessings on each one of us as we embark on our journey seeking harmony and peace from within and without.
Itu tidak pas.